When you're shopping in Target, did you know that you can get free refills? In this video, I'm gonna share some mind-blowing life hacks with you. Some hacks that you're gonna really enjoy and you're gonna find useful in your everyday life. So, if you're nothing like me, you've been filling up your ice tray wrong all this time. The correct way to fill your ice tray is those little gaps that you see in the middle between each slot. That is where you're supposed to direct the water. When you're directing the water there, what is happening is it is less messy, it's not getting all over the place, and you're filling up 4 cubes all at the same time. You know, when you put your trash bag in the trash can, it has so much air in it and you can never figure out, like, okay, how do I get this air out? But again, we've been doing it wrong all this time. What you want to do is put the trash bag over the trash can and then push down. So what that does is take all the air out and you have a really neat trash can with no air filled up in the bag. Isn't that smart? This hack is to know if and when your freezer stops working. So, or if your freezer lose power. What you want to do is fill up a cup halfway with water, freeze it, and then put a coin on top of it. If at any point in time you look at that cup and the coin is not on top, your freezer lost power. So maybe, just maybe, some of your food or all of your food may have gone bad. My freezer will never be without a half cup of ice with a coin on top ever again. You know, when you're hanging your picture frame, you like be struggling, you can't find the nail on the back for you to hang your frame. Well, what you can do is use a fork. Yes, you heard me right. Use a fork, put the teeth of the fork over the nail, use the fork as your guide to hang your picture frame. Then you just pull your fork out. Easy, 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 easy. This one is for all the Target lovers. You know, like most Americans, they're just so in love with Target. We shop there all the time. Every chance we get, we're at Target. Well, this is for all the Target lovers. When you're shopping in Target, did you know that you can get free refills at Starbucks for the entire time you're there? So when you go to Target to shop, you buy yourself a coffee. This goes for hot coffee, cold coffee, hot tea, cold tea. You get yourself a cup of coffee when you just get there. You walk around, you shop, you go back, you get a refill for free. You go again, you shop, you walk around. You can go back and get as much refill as you want for free. What? How come I didn't know of this? I hope this tip definitely was helpful for all my Target shoppers out there. We're coffee lovers too, or tea. Today is your lucky day because I have a bonus for you. There's a Facebook group called Sweet Deals, Glitches, and Freebies. What this Facebook group does is it finds you the best deals on Amazon and codes, discount codes for Amazon for different products. And the group is legit. It has so much followers. So if you want deals on Amazon, there you go, guys. Those are the tips for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. And if you're new here, I would love to have you. Please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Bye, guys.